Ever tried to share a vacation video with friends and family only to be met with a frustrating message about file size limits? It's a common problem. Email just wasn't built for massive files. That's where file transfer services come in, like Kraken. But with all these options, you might be wondering, just how much data can I shove through Kraken? That's a fantastic question, and that's exactly what we'll be diving into today. We'll crack open Kraken's capabilities and see what it can handle. But before we get there, let's talk a little bit about why knowing these limits matters. Why transfer limits matter? Imagine you're a filmmaker and you've just finished editing your masterpiece. It's a heart-stopping documentary about the endangered pangolin, and you want to share it with the world. Except, the file is a whopping 50 gigabytes. No email provider on Earth will let you send that. That's where knowing transfer limits comes in. It helps you choose the right tool for the job. Uploading a few funny cat videos to share with friends? A free service with a lower limit might suffice. But for something mission critical, like our pangolin documentary, you'll need a service that can handle the heavy lifting. Kraken's transfer limit breakdown. All right, enough with the suspense. Let's talk Kraken. Here's the beauty: Kraken offers unlimited transfers. That's right, unlimited. You can send files as big or small as your heart desires, as long as they comply with their terms of service. No illegal content, of course. This is a game changer for anyone who regularly deals with large files. Freelancers, filmmakers, photographers, you name it. No more splitting large files into frustratingly small chunks or worrying about exceeding limits. But there's a catch. There's always a catch. Hold on a second, though. Unlimited transfers sound too good to be true, right? Well, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, free accounts have a daily transfer limit. This limit is still pretty generous, but it's there to prevent abuse. Upgrading to a paid plan gets you rid of this daily limit, so you can transfer files all day, every day. Second, there are individual file size limitations. Even with unlimited transfers, there's a limit to the size of a single file you can upload. This limit varies depending on your account type, but it's still pretty high. Free accounts can handle files up to 10 gigabytes, which is more than enough for most everyday tasks. Kraken versus the competition. So, how does Kraken stack up against other file transfer services? Many popular options limit free transfers to a few gigabytes per day or per transfer. This can be a real pain point if you regularly deal with large files. Beyond transfer limits, what else does Kraken offer? Kraken isn't just about throwing unlimited data around. They offer a bunch of cool features that make file transfer a breeze. Here are a few highlights. End-to-end encryption. This keeps your file secure during transfer, so you can rest assured that prying eyes aren't taking a peek at your confidential documents or those hilarious cat videos. Password protection. Add an extra layer of security with password protection. This ensures only the recipient with the password can access your files. File expiry. Set your files to self-destruct after a certain amount of time. This is useful for sharing sensitive information that you don't want floating around forever. Large file previews. No more downloading an entire file just to see what's inside. Kraken lets you preview large files before you download them, saving you time and bandwidth. Kraken, your one-stop file transfer shop. Whether you're a casual user or a data hoarding professional, Kraken has you covered. With its unlimited transfers, for paid plans, robust security features, and convenient functionalities, it's a powerful tool for anyone who needs to share large files. So, the next time you have a file that's too big for email, don't despair. Just head over to Kraken and unleash your data deluge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.